So I'm going to show you my thought process as we do these percentages, because this is something we're struggling with. So we've got calculate the percentage by mass of every element in H2SO4. Right. First thing I need to know the relative atomic masses of every single element. So I've got H. What's the relative atomic mass of H of hydrogen? 1. Thank you, Jaivan. It's 1. Right. What's the relative atomic mass of sulfur? 32. Right. And what's the relative atomic mass of oxygen? 16. Right. So I know what all my individual atoms are worth. Okay? Now I need to work out the MR of the whole compound. How many hydrogens have I got? 2, and hydrogen's worth 1 each, so altogether that comes to 2. Right. So hydrogen is worth 2 plus, how many sulfurs have I got? Only 1, and it's worth 32. 2 plus 32. Right. Plus, how many oxygens have I got? 4, and each oxygen is worth 16, so I've got 4 lots of 16. 64. Right. So I add all those together, 2 plus 32 plus 64, 98. Right. So that is the total MR for the whole compound. That's what 100% would be. So let's start with hydrogen, okay? So hydrogen altogether then is worth how many? 2. Hydrogen altogether is worth 2. So I've got to do the amount I want to know the percentage of divided by the total, which is 98. So 2 divided by 98, multiplied, whatever that comes to, multiply that answer by 100. Come to 2.04. 2.04, is that right? Let me have a look. 2.04. You're not timesing by 100, Annabella. So that means that 2.04% of that compound is hydrogen. Do we understand that? That's what we've done. Right, now let's work out the sulfur, percentage sulfur. We do the exact same process, okay? So looking this way, right, how much of that 98 is the sulfur? 32. So 32 divided by the total again, 98. Multiply that by 100, 32.65. So if I was rounding that, that would be what, 32.7%? Finally, we've got to work out the oxygen. Right, percentage for oxygen equals, right, okay, how much, we've got 4 oxygens, how much of our 98 is that worth? It's worth 64. So 64 divided by 98 multiplied by 100. 65.3%. 65.3% of our compound, of our H2SO4 is the oxygen.